Graph the function y equals x plus 3. This is a function in slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Start by identifying the y-intercept, b. In this case, the y-intercept is positive 3. This value can be graphed on the y-axis. 1, 2, 3, right here. The slope of the line is the coefficient of x. In this case, the slope is 1. This means that starting at the y-intercept, for every one step up, I move 1 to the right. 1 step up and 1 to the right. The reason that I move to the right is because the slope is positive. The line connecting these points is the graph of the equation.